this is a ladder. Now first you recognize an angle, so let's make a dot here marking A, this point as F and this point as C. So how would you name? Let's take the angle with the dotted line. I am showing which angle we are talking about. So you would get, see the middle point here. These two points are not connected. Middle point is F. So my vertex would be F because F is a common point. So it would be AFC, angle AFC, where F is the middle alphabet is the common point. So this one angle we have marked. Now the next figure is of a bridge. The figure is something like this. So now start marking, say P, Q, R, P, Q, R. So how do you see the PQR? How do you see the vertex? The middle point is the vertex. So I would write first Q and the side points become P and R, so that it has angle PQR as one of the angle of the figure. Similarly, you can name any other, say STU. Now if you want to change the vertex, so here you have to name it and you have to write the name. So you can take any point as vertex in this case. Say T is the vertex. So T would be the middle alphabet. Then ray would be TS and the second ray would be TU. So angle becomes STU. So basically you have to, whenever you have been asked to name an angle, you have to look for the rays which are coming from the common point. So here the common point I had taken was Q. Now QP is one ray and QR is another ray. So Q is the vertex, QP is one ray and QR is another ray. What is the common point here? The common point is Q. Then in this case you have T as the common point. The rays are TS and TU. So your angle name is STU. So in this way you can name any angle. Now these were the figures given to you. Suppose Let's make any other figure around us. Say I make a book like this. A book is put in this manner. Some other examples so that you can understand what we are talking about. Now in this book, suppose I name them as A, B, C, D, E, F. Now you would say that from where should I start? So if I take A as the vertex, okay, A as the vertex. So A is the common point. What are the rays that are going from A? You can say that AF is the ray that is going from A. Another ray that is going from A is AB. So these are the two rays. So I will write, how would I name the angle? Two rays are going from point A, so A can become a vertex. So A would be written in middle and I will get FAB. This is the name of the angle. If I change the vertex, you can name many angles in this case also. Suppose I take E as the vertex. So E as the vertex. Now find the rays that are going from this vertex. E is having one as EF and another is EB. There is also another ray which is going ED. So you can take any one ray. EF, you know that angle is made from two rays. So you would take EF and EB. So my rays here become these two. So EF and EB, and my name of angle would be E should come in the middle because it is vertex and the angle is FEB. So this is how you name angle. Now one doubt I would like to clear in this figure of ladder. Here if I name C and D here, now you would say that I want to make C as the vertex. So C and D cannot be vertex because there are no rays. C is having one ray going from here, CF, but there is no second ray which is going from here. So C and D cannot be vertex. So always look for a point from where minimum two rays are coming out. Always look for a point where minimum two rays are coming. Now the next question is, draw and label an angle with arm ST and SR. So now you have to draw an angle with ST and SR. Now what is common in ST and SR? Suppose I write over here, you don't need to write, but if you want to write, you can write ST and SR. So here ST, S is the common among the two. That means, how would you draw? What would be my vertex? Vertex would be S because it is common point. And now I would start drawing the angle. I would take one ray and name it as ST, and then I would draw another ray going from the point S only, and I would name it as SR. So my rays are here again. So if I want to write the ray 1 is ST, ray 2 is SR, and name of angle would be, what would be the name? The vertex S should come in middle. So vertex S and then RST. Angle RST is the angle formed here. So this is how you can draw an angle with a common vertex and the two rays given. Moving to next question. Question number 3. Question is, explain why angle APC cannot be labeled as angle P. Now we learned that even an angle can be named using only the vertex. But this is not the case everywhere. I would write like, so an angle can be named using vertex only, but this is not the right method. Why I cannot write here? Because reason is there are number of angles in the figure which has vertex P. Do you understand this point? Let me make the figure here. So figure is something like this with P as a vertex, and there are three rays which are going from P. P is the vertex here, and what are the three rays? One is PA, one is PB, and one is PC. So I cannot write it as angle P because angle P, the vertex is forming number of rays. It has three rays that are there. So you can have many number of angles in this case. So if only one angle is formed using a vertex, you can call it as angle P. But here, what are the different angles that I can have? P is the vertex. I would take the first two rays. So it would be APB, APB. Then the second can be PB ray and PC ray. So it would be BPC. So there are number of angles in the figure which has vertex P. So it cannot be written as angle P. Now suppose, okay, so moving on to next question. Name the angles marked in the figure. So now you have to name the angles marked in the figure. Now you can see that how they have marked angle. This I have already told you that how to mark an angle. First we draw the figure. Now see the marking. One marking is starting from TR and going till the turning or the rotation of angle is from TR to TQ. Okay. So what are my two rays in this case? This is the angle. So ray 1 is TR, ray 2 is TQ, and what is common among these two? It is T is common. So name of angle would be T is the vertex, and I would get RTQ. What is the other marking? The other marking is also starting from TR, but it is going till TP. It is starting from TR, see here the curve, and it is going till TP where the arrow is, the end point is arrow. So this is the second angle which it is asking to name. So this is first angle, and now this is second angle. Second angle would be, my rays are, ray 1 is TR again, and ray 2 is TP, and name of the angle, what is common again? T is common, so T is the vertex, and other two would become RPQ. R and RTP. Or I can also write is that there is no condition. आप इसको R को इधर भी ला सकते हो और P को इधर भी ले जा सकते हो. So it would become PTR. But vertex should be T only. Vertex cannot be changed. So either this can be written as RTP or this can be written as PTR. So it would be, both are same, but the vertex remains the same as T. So I think it is enough for today. We will continue with the exercise tomorrow. Do visit the session again and try to understand it. If you have any doubts, you can comment, ask in the comment box, or I would definitely solve your doubts. So let's wrap up the class. Have a nice day. Bye.